Hey, I just want to say thanks to all my subscribers. My numbers are going up, my watch time hours, my subscribers, everything. Thank you guys very, very much.
So this is the Bay Bridge. Nice. That's where George Lucas got his idea for the cranes. Did you know that? Yeah. This design's awesome. Oh, not so good. Let's go through here. Yeah, hopefully that'll pick that up. So yeah, I don't know if you noticed, but George Lucas driving by here, you know, in his Star Wars series, that's how he got the idea for those big, tall machines. You know what I'm talking about? You know, I've actually ate next to George Lucas in Subway a couple times in San Rafael. Yeah, he's dressed up in jeans and.
Hey, what's up everyone? We are on our way across the Bay Bridge going over to the Oakland Hills to this really cool party out. It's a long story, but it's a lawyer, retired lawyer, very successful, worked with the Senate and Congress and all that stuff. But the party was super cool. I mean, it was amazing.
I like George Lucas. This is awesome, dude. Even the car lights make it cool. Doesn't it look great? Yeah, it's just the lighting is really nice. You get the Skywalkers and what we call it. Isn't this beautiful? Look at that. Oh, wow. Oh, wow. You're going to have to remind me how to get up here. I want to take a date up here. Ooh, there's a couple dates right there. There's one marry her. Isn't that beautiful? You want to get out and take pictures? Ooh. Let me just do this. I'm actually recording. Let me just do this. Are you out of the road enough? Yeah. Wow, it's warm outside. Dude. It's awesome. My God. Mark, do you see how beautiful this is? Wow. So we're up in the Oakland Hills. And that, I believe, is Emeryville, and that's the Bay Bridge. I don't know if you could see it over there. Alright, God bless you guys. Yeah, well, he's like that one guy, the comedian, the old dude. Come on, super famous in the 70s, 60s, 70s, and 80s. I can't think of his name, but his whole thing was to meet people. Right, so we were here at the party.
So there's a lot of people.
Yeah, the lighting sucks. I don't want to turn this light on, so people are going to get all pissy or whatever. Here we are.
They're kind of, as they get old, they kind of. But we're looking at this English.
We're saying goodbye to the party and all the party people. The lighting just sucks for this, so oh well. God bless you all. I love you all. I love you.